Hello YouTubers, Andrew from Solo Bushcraft 1 here. Happy New Year to everybody. Thanks for all of my subscribers, all my new subscribers. Where do y'all come from? Obviously somebody, you actually like me, watch me make videos, get up in the woods and enjoy myself. Anyway, this is what I got from my lovely wife. Oops, which way is it? A Leatherman style CS. Goes on my keys. Sweet little thing, it's tiny. It's only about, I don't know, maybe 3 inches long. It's got a little carabiner here. I was going to put it through that hole, but I thought it'd be taken off all the time, so I'd put it on that one. So you can get your little finger onto that. And it has this wicked sharp knife. Wicked sharp though. Scary sharp, isn't it? Hopefully I don't end up cutting myself. What's it got on the outside? It's got this nail file. I can't see me ever using that nail file anyway. It probably wouldn't have been used as a screwdriver of some sort. And then the inside then, it's got a wicked pair of scissors. Wicked pair of scissors. It's got a wicked pair of scissors. They're kind of spring loaded. Oh yeah, it's got this little, see it? Tweezers. I'm gonna have to use another, anyway. They're just too so fine. It's a sweet little thing, doesn't it? The scissors are great. I've actually used those already, cutting paracord and stuff. Making lanyards for me, neck knives. I'd say they end up being used more as a toothpick than anything else. It's a sweet little thing, huh? And it came in this fabulous looking box. The box is massive, as big as my, almost as big as my hand, huh? So it's like 4 inches by maybe 5 inches. Lovely case. Of course, then you get in all the different ones. Where are they? That's the first one. The second one, the juice. Where's my one? Where is it? Ah, there it is. This one. Oh, I'm going all over the place. That one. Oh, went pretty bad. There. Style CS. Couldn't believe I got that. Very nice of her. Wasn't expecting much. I thought it was great. I was really happy Christmas morning. You know, I wasn't expecting nothing, watching the kids getting their presents and got me that little thing. Delighted. She always amazes me every year. She always manages to find something I really like. A shout out to somebody. He PM'd me, I PM'd you back. Get in contact, Gavin. His channel name is Mouse in a Bottle. Gavin, get in contact, bud. The number's there. Get in contact with me, Gavin. Happy New Year, everybody. Hopefully now it'll be a good year. Take care.